Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unsubscribe Quora from Gmail. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First up, we'll open up Gmail. Here on search bar, search Quora. So here you will be seeing email from Quora. Let me go to this email. So here you can see Quora Digest and you can see unsubscribe. So tap on unsubscribe and go to website. Tap on Chrome. It will open up your Quora ID. Here you will be seeing digest setting. So here if you want Quora to send you mail, then tap on as available daily or weekly, and if you do not want Quora to send you any emails, then tap on never, that I have already said. So tap on save preference, and so here you go. Now you will not get any email from Quora app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.